Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to show you the newest products on my right hand. This is styling the Chinese wok and using for the propane one. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length is about like 17 and 1/4 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like 22.5 inches. And the overall height of the unit is about like 27 inches tall. So for the units, we can see they do having controllers at the front. They come in with 3 of the fire adjusters. And also they do have a power switch right here, pipe connections. And we also can take a look closer to see the inner side of the burner space. For this wok, we have the ring space. The inner dimensions, diameters, is about like 10 inches wide. And also we have a burner inside. And the overall, for these burners, is almost about like 13 inches wide. When we remove it, we can see they have double rings with the fire hose on the pan. That will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.